Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss topic that is transformers. What is transformer? Transformer is an electrical device that is basically used to step up and step down transformer. In simple word, we increase or decrease the voltage without any changing the frequency of the current or voltage. We can increase or decrease the voltage. So here we write it is a electrical device. It can step up and step down voltage and current without changing its frequency. Now we discuss about the symbol of transformer. Symbol of transformer consists of two coils. This is called primary coil and this is secondary coil. Now we discuss about its working principle. Working principle of transformer is Faraday law of electromagnetic induction or Faraday law of mutual induction. Now we discuss about the construction of transformers. If we discuss about the construction of transformer, in construction of transformer, their constructions include primary coil, secondary coil, and a magnetic iron core. First, we discuss about the primary coil. If we discuss about the primary coil where we connect the alternating voltage source. This alternating voltage source produces an current in this coil which produces an EMF which is also alternate when the voltage is alternate. So here we write input AC is supplied to this coil which cause a current to flow. A magnetic field produced around the coil which alternate. Now we discuss about the secondary coil. This is the secondary coil where we get the induced EMF. This is the primary coil and this is the secondary coil. So here we write about the secondary coil. Induced EMF is obtained through this coil. This coil is usually connected to the load. Now we discuss about the iron core. This is the iron core between these two coil. Iron core being a soft magnetic material which attract the field lines which carry the field line that create due to the current in the primary coil. So this increase the magnetic flux linkage. Due to attraction of these iron core of the magnetic field line, the magnetic flux linkage in the secondary coil is increased. In the secondary coil. Now we discuss about the types of transformer and types of transformer. First we discuss about the step-up transformer. Step-up transformer, it is used to convert a low alternating current voltage into a high alternating current voltage. In step-up transformer, we use number of turns in primary coil is less and number of turns in secondary coil is greater. Here the number of turns, let's suppose the number of turns here is 5 turns, or here is 10 turns of coil. If we voltage apply in the primary coil, that is 100 volt, then current that flow through this, it is 10 ampere. And secondary coil where we get the voltage 400 volt and current that is 2.5 ampere. Here we secondary voltage denoted by Vs and secondary current is denoted by Is, and the primary voltage is denoted by Vp and primary current is denoted by Ip. In step-up transformer, the secondary voltage is greater than the primary voltage. Vs is greater than Vp. Here we use the step-up transformer. We convert low voltage signal into high voltage signal. So here we write step-up transformer, number of turns, that is increase, number of turn increase, so voltage Vs increase. When voltage increase, so here current in secondary coil is decrease. Power is same in both cases, that is 1000 watt. Here is power is 1000 watt in primary coil, and secondary coil power is also same, that is 1000 watt. So here we write power is constant. Now we discuss about the uses of step up transformer. Step up transformer place after power station and before transmission lines to increase voltage and decrease current. Step down transformer, it is used to convert a high alternating voltage into a low alternating voltage. In step down transformer, this is the primary coil and this is the secondary coil. Let's suppose in primary coil number of turns that are 10 turns, and let's suppose here the number of turns are 5 turns. The number of turns are 5. Let's suppose here we apply the 4000 volt and current is 2.5 ampere. Here we get the 100 volt and current that is 10 ampere. So here primary voltage is denoted by Vp and primary current is denoted by Ip, and here secondary voltage is denoted by Vs and secondary current is denoted by Is. Power is same in both cases. Here is power is 1000 watt. In this case power is also 1000 watt. Here we say that the number of turns in the primary coil is greater, so Vp is greater than Vs. Here we take number of turns, Ns is decrease, number of turn decrease, so voltage Vs is decrease. When voltage is decreased, current in the secondary coil is increase. Power is constant in both cases, so here we write power is constant. Now we discuss about the uses of step down transformer. Step down transformer placed after transmission lines and before houses and users to decrease voltage to 20 volt. Formula of transformer now discuss. We know that in transformer the voltage is directly proportional to the number of turn. So formula, we know that the voltage of the primary coil is represented by Vp and number of turn in the primary coil is denoted by Np divided by voltage of the secondary coil is denoted by Vs and voltage of the number of turn of the secondary coil is denoted by Ns. So here we can write Np that represent number of turns of primary coil, Ns represent number of turns of secondary coil, Vp that represent primary voltage, Vs that represent secondary voltage. Now we discuss about the efficiency of transformer. Efficiency of transformer can be calculated by the formula power output divided by power input multiplied by 100. If efficiency is 100%, then input power is equal to output power. So input power is equal to IP, Vp is equal to output power is equal to Is, Vs